So when it comes to printing, most of my templates will already have a print area set, and it will also have it set so that the header row right here continues to print on each page. If I wanted to use this example because I have a lot of pages here, it goes down kind of far. This little line right here is indicating that the print area is cutting off right here. So if you go to File, Print, you'll see these little boxes here. Can zoom it in a little. So you'll see that this is page 1 of 36 pages. And if I click here to go to page 2, page 3, page 4, this top part is staying the same on each page. And there's a certain way to set that up, and I can show you how. So the print area is stopping right here. And if you want to, if I have a template that has a certain print area set and you want to change that, then you just go to Page Layout, Print Area, Clear Print Area. If you wanted to set the print area to instead include the comments column, you could highlight, you could continue highlighting down the blank rows if you want to include that information later. If you scroll right here, I can tell that this is a page because the little dotted line, you can hardly see it. Let's just set the print area to there just for this example. Print area and set print area. And then let's hide one of these so that we can get it to fit all in one page. So now it's just set to print pages 1 through 4, and it's still moving the comments to another page. So actually, what this dotted line actually is a page break. What I end up doing actually to remove that dotted line is Page Layout Breaks, Reset All Page Breaks. Okay, now it will show the dotted line where it naturally will fall for the page break. But we still have an issue with getting this to print on one page, and that's as much as it will fit. So let's go back to print, and it now will print out on 6 pages, but it got switched to portrait, so we can change it to landscape. And that will help fit more on the page. It already has narrow margins. Fitting to one sheet is always not good for that. Fit all columns on one page. So that'll work. All the column headers are on one page, including the comments. And as we scroll to 2, 3, page 4, it's not all fitting on one page, but we're having all the columns on one page. So that will work for me. And so that's how you set the print area. And again, to clear that print area, if you'd like to change it, just go to print area and clear. If you want to insert a page break in a particular area, you would just highlight the column, Page Layout Breaks, and then insert a page break, and it would separate that to insert on a different page. And most of my templates already have the header row set up and the top area set up to print on each page when there's multiple pages of data that you need to print out. Just in case you need to do that, it's under Page Layout, Print Titles. Click on Print Titles, and it's the Sheet tab. Rows to repeat at top, I have 1 through 6. So you would just highlight the rows that you want to repeat at the top. You could also select some other options here, down then over, over then down for the page order. And let's try the print preview from here. Brings us back to this page. So that's how you would set the header part to print the same on each page. And also keep in mind you can narrow your selection if you're only wanting to print a small set of data from, a large list. If I only wanted to print gem show, I could filter. You can use the filter to narrow down your selection. And if I wanted to print just the gem show, that's all I would have to do is apply the filter and it will print it all on one page. So I hope that helps the next time you go to print something. But hopefully with most of the templates, it's already kind of set up and you just have to double check that you're not printing out all the blank pages, because I don't want to set it to only print one page if you're going to have a lot more information. So you can always change that in the printer settings.